Are you looking for the top 5 best gaming liquid coolers? Which gaming liquid cooler is actually good? Simple question, but you have to dig a bit to get the answer. Today, we're doing exactly that.
Product number 1. Corsair Nautilus 360 RS ARGB Liquid CPU Cooler. Right off the bat, I was impressed by its sleek design and low noise operation, especially considering it's priced at $119.99. If you want solid cooling performance without the distracting noise, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The Nautilus features a high-performance all-in-one cooling system, meaning it can keep your CPU running cool while you're gaming or working under pressure. The efficient pump operates at just 20 dBA, which is quieter than a library. And with 3 RS120 ARGB fans included, you're getting both great airflow and some serious RGB vibes to show off your rig. Plus, the daisy chain feature simplifies your cable management, reducing clutter in your case. Now, some people complained about the installation process being a bit tricky for first-timers. Here's the thing though, if you take your time and follow the instructions, it's totally manageable. Just be patient and you'll have it up and running in no time. This is perfect for you if you want a visually appealing cooler that performs quietly. Skip this one if you're after the absolute cheapest option available. For $119.99, you're getting a solid value. Product number 2. Corsair Titan 360 RX. Next up is the Corsair Titan 360 RX LCD Liquid CPU Cooler, priced at $219.99. This thing caught my eye with its stunning LCD display that lets you show off real-time CPU temperatures or even your favorite memes. If you want a cooler that combines performance with a touch of personality, this one deserves your attention. The Titan features Corsair's IQ Link technology, which means you can connect multiple components through a single hub. This makes cable management a breeze and keeps your setup looking pristine. The FlowDrive cooling engine is impressive, ensuring maximum heat transfer to keep your CPU cool even during intense gaming sessions. With 3 RX120 RGB fans included, you'll also enjoy great airflow combined with low noise levels, around 36 dBA, which is pretty decent. However, some users pointed out that the price is a bit steep for what you get. Here's the thing. While it might seem pricey, you're paying for that beautiful display and the advanced connectivity options. If you value aesthetics alongside performance, it's worth every penny. This is perfect for you if you love customizing your rig with RGB and want something that performs well. Skip this one if you're on a tight budget. It's a premium option, but if you can swing it, it delivers.
Product number 3. Sonic AIO CPU Cooler. Now let's check out the Sonic AIO CPU Cooler, which comes in at an incredibly low price of just $52.99. What caught my attention is its high-speed ceramic bearing pump that promises to keep your CPU cool under pressure. If you're looking for budget-friendly cooling that doesn't skimp on performance, this is definitely worth considering. The 360mm radiator paired with PWM-controlled fans ensures that you get the right airflow based on your system's temperature, keeping noise levels down to about 30 decibels. This cooler can handle those intense gaming sessions without overheating thanks to its advanced 3-phase motor that minimizes vibrations. Plus, the daisy-chained fans make installation straightforward, which is great if you're not super tech-savvy. Now, some users have mentioned that the build quality doesn't feel as premium as more expensive models. Here's the thing. While it might not have the same aesthetic flair, it gets the job done effectively. If your main goal is performance at a budget, this is a smart choice. This is perfect for you if you're building a rig on a budget and want reliable cooling. Skip this one if you want a flashy design. For under $53, it's hard to beat the value.
Product number 4. NZXT Kraken Plus 360 RGB. Next up is the NZXT Kraken Plus 360 RGB, retailing for $169.99. Right from the start, I loved the customizable LCD screen that lets you display your CPU's temperature or even your favorite GIFs. If you want a cooler that's as much about looks as it is about performance, you should definitely check this one out. The Kraken is engineered for high flow, which means it can tackle demanding tasks without breaking a sweat. It operates quietly at around 31.9 decibels, allowing you to focus on your gaming without distractions.
The installation is super simple thanks to pre-applied thermal paste and streamlined cable management. Plus, it supports a wide range of Intel and AMD sockets, making it a versatile choice. However, some users did mention that the software for customizing the display can be a bit finicky at times. Here's the thing, once you get it set up, it's a fantastic tool for monitoring your system and adding personal touches. Just be prepared for a learning curve. This is perfect for you if you enjoy customizing your gaming setup and want a reliable, good-looking cooler. Skip this one if you're not into RGB lights or if you prefer a more straightforward design. At $169.99, it's a solid choice for those who want aesthetics and performance. Now, if the Kraken software quirks don't sit well with you, let's talk about the final product on our list.
Product number 5, Jungle Leopard PF360. Finally, we have the Jungle Leopard PF360 CPU Water AIO Cooler, priced at $122.18. The first thing that jumped out to me was the impressive 5.5-inch LCD screen that rotates for easy viewing. If you want a cooler that gives you both performance and a high-tech display, you might want to consider this one. This cooler features a unique aluminum integrated heatsink that boosts cooling efficiency by 40%, handling up to 320 watts TDP, perfect for overclocking. The fan speeds can go up to 2,000 RPM while maintaining a noise level below 30 dBA, so you won't be distracted while gaming. Plus, the ARGB infinity mirror fans add a stunning visual effect to your setup. On the downside, some users found the software for customizing the display a bit complicated. Here's the thing, once you get the hang of it, the customization options are pretty extensive, so it's worth the effort to figure it out. This is perfect for you if you want an eye-catching cooler that performs well under high loads. Skip this one if you prefer a simpler setup. So, to recap our top 5 gaming liquid coolers. The Corsair Nautilus 360 RS offers great performance with a sleek design. The Titan 360 RX adds a stunning display, but comes at a premium. The Minor Sonic is perfect for budget-conscious gamers, while the Kraken Plus strikes a balance between aesthetics and functionality. Lastly, the Jungle Leopard PF360 brings high-tech features to the table. Each has its strengths, so